So, what is SOLIDWORKS Composer? Recently, I've been researching solar electric systems, photovoltaic panels specifically. And when the panels are installed outside on the roof and your power inverter is installed inside the house, you need a way to connect the wires while keeping Mother Nature where she belongs, outside the house. That junction is made in what is called a pass-through box. So the pass-through box allows the wiring from the panels to connect to the inverter while being flashed into the roof. Basically, that pass-through box allows you to keep the weather out and keep all your electricity in. SOLIDWORKS Composer may be likened to that pass-through box. SOLIDWORKS Composer gives you a simple user interface that allows you to connect different forms of 3D geometric data, whether it's from CAD or other sources such as Adobe 3D PDF or maybe IGES file, a step file, who knows. So Composer allows you to take that 3D form geometric data, push it out to your final publication tool, such as Word or Adobe InDesign, possibly some other interactive videos or web content, and that ultimately is what is to be used for consumption by your consumers. And your consumer could be anybody from the manufacturing department, your installers, your customers, anybody who touches this down the line.